Hi everyone, welcome to Great for Learner. Welcome to this video. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today is our topic is GIS, Geographic Information System. आज इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं GIS के बारे में. GIS क्या है, डाटा यूजिंग मेथड से कलेक्शन का मेथड्स क्या क्या है, जैसे कि GPS सर्वेइंग, रिमोट सेंसिंग एंड फील्ड सर्वेइंग एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ GIS एंड फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स ऑफ GIS में क्या क्या आने वाले हैं उसके बारे में हम इस वीडियो में डिटेल में पढ़ने वाले हैं. तो चलिए पढ़ते हैं. GIS जो एक पार्ट्स है सर्वेइंग इंजीनियरिंग का, तो डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं इस वीडियो में. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज GIS, Geographical Information System. So basically, GIS information system designed to the capture of store, manipulate, analyze, and manage and present all types of geographical data. Basically, its work is surveying in basically present to the data and the finalized to geographic information system to capture included geographical data. The spatial geographical will be present in this slide. What is GIS, Geographic Information System? Okay. Now, the next one is component of GIS. What is the component of GIS? There are three components of GIS. First one is hardware, and second one is software, and third one is data. The hardware is physical equipment used for GIS capture and planning. Basically, its work of hardware is capture and processing, and the software works is tools used for organizing like that and analyzing presenting geographic information. Basically, its work is software components of GIS basically used in analyzing and presenting of geographical information system. The next one is data. Basically, data works is geographical information on various feature, events, and phenomena. Basically, its work is phenomena and the features, events, and all like that. Okay, these are the components. These are the components of geographic information system. Now the next one is data collection method. There are three data collection methods. The first one is remote sensing. The second one is GPS surveying, and the third one is फील्ड सर्वे. सम डेज कुछ दिन पहले ही मैंने रिमोट सेंसिंग पे एक वीडियो अपलोड करा है. जीपीएस पे भी हमारा एक वीडियो है, उसको जो जा करके आप देख सकते हैं और डिटेल में समझ सकते हैं रिमोट सेंसिंग और जीपीएस के बारे में. उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. ओके, तो रिमोट सेंसिंग इज यूजिंग सैटेलाइट्स फॉर एरियल imagery to gather geographic data. These are the remote sensing. And the GPS working collection data collection method. GPS basically collecting data location through global positioning system. These are the full form of GPS, global positioning system. It's technology to use to collection of data. Okay, now the field surveys is working like that, gathering data and the through physical observation and measurements collection called data collection. There are three data collection method. Okay, now the next one slide spatial analysis techniques. These are techniques which will be included into buffering, overflow, and interpolation. These are the three spatial analysis techniques: buffering, overlay, and interpolation. The buffering creating a zone around geographic features to analyze spatial relations. Basically, GIS in geographic information system, buffering works like that. Features to analyze the spatial relations. What are the relations behind the observing to the collecting the data, and the works of overlay is combining different layers of geographic information data to explore spatial patterns. These are the overlay. Then the interpolation work is estimating values unmeasured location based on surrounding data points. Basically, spatial analytics techniques. The third one is interpolation. The work is unmeasured location based on surrounding data points. It will be find out and concluded. Okay, now the next one is application of GIS. What is the application of GIS? There are three application of GIS. First one is urban planning, second one is environmental planning, and third one is disaster planning. These are the three application of GIS. The first one is urban planning optimizing. Basically, uses optimizing land uses, infrastructure, and development towards urban planning. The next one is environmental management. Basically, monitoring and protecting natural resources and the ecosystem, which will be environmental management. Okay, the next one is disaster response. Disaster response, these are managing and analyzing the work during natural disaster or emergency solution. These are the application of GIS, geographic information system, its application: urban planning, environmental management, and the rest which will be conclude and the fine tune the data we have collect to using and surveying to fine tune the surveys. Okay, now the next one is like that, benefits of GIS. What is the benefits of geographic information system? There are three benefits of geographic information system: data visualization, decision supports, and efficiency improvement. The first one is data visualization. Basically, the complex data is visual for better understanding. The data visualization. Okay. Now the decision making support, basically like that, facilitating informed choice based on the spatial analyzing and modeling. Basically, decision making supports work like that, choice based on a spatial analysis and the modeling. Now the efficiency of work is processing optimization. So basically its work is resource optimization and management. This work is efficiently. Okay, now the benefits of, they are the benefits of the geographic information system. Okay, now the next one is challenges in implementing GIS. What is the challenges of geographical information system? There are three challenges of geographical information system. First one is like data quality. Basically, we have worked in GIS in surveying, basically data collection, and the technical expertise also, and the integration complexity also is are the measures, reasons, and challenging to face in geographical information system. Okay, so ensuring geographic data sources and technical expertise, basically requiring a skilled professionals and the operate manage GIS systems. Okay, and the integrating GIS, basically which is this information system which complex can be determined and the integration will be found. There are the three challenges of implementing GIS. Okay, now the next one is like that, features, trends in GIS. What is the feature trends in GIS? Basically, upcoming like that, augmented reality integration. These are the future trends in GIS, and the using GIS in combination, augment and implements like that, spatial experiences. Okay, and the AI and machine learning is also with the help of data collection in GIS, geographic information system. The AI machine learning basically works is extract meaningful insights and geographic data will find out. These are the future trends. And the IoT integration also connecting GIS with the internet things real-time stabilization. Okay, IoT also will these are the future trends, and with the help of easy to like the easy to fine tune the data of GIS, geographical information system, and the using in surveys. Okay, now the thank you so much.
आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। इस वीडियो से आपको बहुत अच्छे हेल्प मिले होंगे। तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और एक अच्छा सा कमेंट करें। धन्यवाद।